Acceleration due to gravity at a point on Earth's surface. Acceleration due to gravity at a point on Earth surface. At a point on Earth's surface. In diagram, O be the center of Earth, capital R is the radius of Earth, we consider a body of mass small m be placed at the point E on Earth's surface. Capital M is the mass of Earth, and gravitational pull or gravitational force of attraction explained by the body of mass small m is Fg, which acts radially inwards. Capital Fg acts radially inwards, and acceleration due to gravity at the point A on Earth's surface is small g, which acts in the same direction, that means radially inwards. This is the distance of the center of the body of mass small m from the center of Earth. R is the distance of the center of the body of mass small m placed at the point A from center of Earth. Let small m be the mass of a body placed at the point A on Earth's surface. At the point A on Earth's surface, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force of attraction experienced by the body of mass small m placed at the point A on Earth's surface due to Earth is given by Fg equal G capital M small m divided by small r square, where capital M is the mass of Earth, and small r is the distance of the center of the body of mass small m, from the center O of Earth. As the body of mass small m is very small with respect to Earth, that's why you can assume that small r is approximately equal to capital R. This is the body of mass small m which is placed at the point A on Earth's surface, and small r is approximately equal to capital R. Small r is the distance of center of the body from center of Earth, and where capital R is the radius of Earth. Assuming small r as equal to capital R, and here this is small r, that is the distance of the center of the body from center of Earth, and capital R is the radius of Earth. Therefore, Fg equal G mm by capital R square. Replacing small r by capital R, we get Fg equal G capital M by R square, which is the expression of gravitational force of attraction. The gravitational force of attraction or gravitational pull or gravitational pull experienced by the body of mass small m, by the body of mass small m. Again, the gravitational force H equals small m small g, product of mass of this body placed on earth surface into and acceleration due to gravity, that is small g. This is equation 1, and Fg equals small mg, which is equation 2. Equation 2. Fg equals gmm by r square and Fg equals small m small g. Comparing equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we get small mg equal gmm by capital R square. Therefore, small g equal capital G capital M divided by capital R square. Small g equal capital G capital M divided by R square. This is the acceleration due to gravity. This is the acceleration due to gravity. This is the acceleration due to gravity at the point A on Earth's surface. In diagram small g is the acceleration due to gravity at the point A, and small g equal gm by capital R square. And capital M is the mass of Earth and capital R is the radius of Earth. Acceleration due to gravity acts radially inwards towards the center O. Small g acts radially inwards, and vector r means distance vector of center of the body from center of Earth acts radially outwards. And radius vector of Earth, vector r, vector capital R, acts radially outwards from O to A. Therefore, vector g equal minus that is mod vector g, mod vector small g r cap, and that should be minus r cap. In the diagram, r cap is a small unit vector of radius of Earth which acts radially outwards, and acceleration due to gravity acts inwards. So we can consider negative sign of r cap, because acceleration due to gravity vector g acts in the opposite direction of r cap. So here r is the radius of Earth, and we consider unit vector of radius of Earth, that is r cap acts radially outwards, and vector g acts radially inwards towards center of Earth. So finally we get vector g equal minus gm by r square r cap. Vector g equal minus gm by r square r cap. That is the expression of acceleration due to gravity. Expression of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity vector, or expression of acceleration due to gravity in vector form. And also we can write vector g as equal minus gm by r cube or r cap. So minus gm by r cube vector r. Vector g equal minus gm by r cube vector r. Vector r is the radius vector of Earth which acts radially outwards, and acceleration due to gravity acts radially inwards. Vector g acts radially inwards towards center of Earth. Towards center of Earth. We can consider negative sign because vector g acts radially inwards and vector r acts radially outwards. Now, mass of earth is given by capital M equal volume into density 4 by 3 pi r cube dot rho, where rho is the density of earth, which is uniform density. Rho is the density of earth. Putting the expression of mass of earth in the expression of small g, we get small g equal g 4 by 3 pi r cube dot rho divided by r square. Therefore, small g equal 4 by 3 pi rho g capital R. Small g equal 4 by 3 pi rho g capital R. This is the expression of acceleration due to gravity in terms of density of earth. This is also another expression of acceleration due to gravity at a point A on Earth's surface in terms of density of Earth, density rho of Earth. Therefore, small g is proportional to capital R, means acceleration due to gravity is directly proportional to radius of Earth. That means greater the radius of planet, greater will be the acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface. We have two expression of acceleration due to gravity, that is small g equal gm by r square and small g equal 4 by 3 pi rho g into capital R. But we have to accept the second expression, therefore g proportional capital R. G proportional capital R. Greater the radius of the planet, greater will be the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the planet. Additional information: capital G equals 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. We have to memorize these values, the values of these quantities. Capital M equal 6.018 into 10 to the power 24 kg, which is mass of earth. Rho equal 5.5 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Capital M equals 6.018 into 10 to the power 24 mass of earth, and rho equal 5.5 into 10 to the power 3. This is density of earth. This is density of earth. Rho equal 5.5 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Capital G equals 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2, which is gravitational constant.